This is the kind of seafoam green S10. I just got it back to Chevrolet, and well, more in my what do I say, wheelhouse, I guess. Wheelhouse. It's got the Camaro rims, and it's not in bad shape. The body's super straight, and it was owned by Daddy-O. He was just the caretaker of it. He got it from someone else, and it's supposed to be a 91, but it doesn't have that third taillight, so I have to check that out. And it's definitely got some old school power underneath. This one has already been converted to V8. You know what's crazy is that, I don't know if you can see this, but this thing has got no dents anywhere on it. I mean, it is absolutely super straight, which is great. Quite a bit, I don't know, I guess nicer than what I normally get. So I'm happy with it. A little bit low. Alright, let me open the hood and you guys can see what's inside. So this is the gauge cluster. Pretty much all, what did I say, manual gauges. Which is interesting. Pretty neat radio. I don't see that. That's manual windows. Interior's okay. Got a little bit of repair I need to do with that. That'll be a new seat cushion. Needs all new door panels. That one, no saving that one. If you look there, it is broken. Sparse interior. It's got a GT Grand steering wheel. They all gotta have that. Manual gauges that were put in to match the V8 tachometer over there, Sun Pro. And you know, I don't know if you can see that, but has no HVAC. The blower motor and heater is still in the car, but it isn't hooked up to any ducts, so it blows on your feet only, which is neat. I kind of like this car. Anyway, it is a B&M reverse lockout shifter, and some of the good stuff about it, when you look underneath, let's see if I can show you some of this here. New exhaust system, can't see that. Does not leak even a drop, so that's very cool. And well, it's got some pretty fresh tires on it. That's a plus. Don't have to buy those right away. It's got some decent 15-inch tires. I have a set of 16-inch Corvette ones that I want to put on there. They're a lot wider. I have to test their fit first, so we'll see. Of course, those would require new tires. And this is a S10. Let's see if you can see that. Tahoe. So it's I don't know. It was originally blue, and what you're seeing here on it is a primer coat, and it's a seafoam green. So I can put on top another blue, which is, of course, my favorite color. Y'all who want to know that. But yeah, it does need seals. It's got the inner seal, but it needs this outer seal here to prevent rain from getting in. Both sides are the same. Overall, very super solid truck. Well, I guess that's where we are today. Don't let it beat you. That right there is the beast. It is, well, best as I can imagine, a high compression version of a 350. It's set back Actually, I cut the firewall quite a lot to get this joker to fit in its position so it could handle better. I guess the intention of the people who built this thing was to go fast in a corner as well as in a line. This truck's kind of quick. I'm impressed and stunned. Haven't really driven it very far, so I couldn't tell you, but it's dirty from a little bit of body work. But they got an aluminum radiator and electric, I don't know if I can show that real well there, electric fans on the front. And, you know, overall, it's a pretty neat setup. Gonna have to delve into it a little bit. A couple of things gonna have to be fixed right off the bat. Gonna need some spark plugs, alternator. I think that's about it. Flush the radiator probably. But it drove nicely. There's no AC, no HVAC, no possibility of those things. So I'm thinking that there will have to be a aftermarket AC system put in. Fender liners, those are going to have to be put in. A couple of things. A lot of the work's going to have to go into cleaning this up. And let's first things first though, this joke of a battery. Who did this one here? Rural King, and this thing has supposed to be 650 cca. This thing goes does not like to start over. It's got a, well, let's see if we can show you this here. Nope, but there we go. That's a new starter. And then that's a remanufactured alternator. So a lot of things been rebuilt. That transmission is super solid. The engine feels great. I'm very happy with this here. Just a few things to be done to doll it up, and we'll get to those, and I'll probably chronicle them right here. All right. Got a bit of an exhaust leak.